Welcome. This video guides you through pairing your iPhone or Android phone to your Volkswagen Taos 2022, 2025 Bluetooth system. Enjoy hands-free calling, audio streaming, and seamless smartphone integration. We'll cover the simple steps to get you connected quickly and easily. The systems feature Volkswagen's digital cockpit infotainment system, which supports Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling, audio streaming, and contact syncing. Your Taos uses Bluetooth to wirelessly connect to your phone, enabling seamless integration with the car's infotainment system. It supports key Bluetooth profiles that make this connection possible. The hands-free profile, or HSP, handles phone calls, allowing you to make and receive calls through the car's speakers and microphone. The Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, or A2DP, enables high-quality stereo audio streaming for music and podcasts. The Phone Book Access Profile, or PBAP, allows the car to access and sync your phone's contacts for easy calling. These profiles work together to provide a complete wireless experience in your Taos. This allows you to manage calls hands-free, stream music wirelessly, and access your contacts directly from the car's infotainment system. Your Taos models feature Bluetooth 5.0 or higher, providing improved connection stability, faster pairing, and better range compared to older versions. Start by opening Settings on your iPhone, then go to General, CarPlay, and select Available Cars. In your Taos, tap Home on the touchscreen, then go to Settings, Phone, and Connect Device. Select your iPhone from the list and confirm the PIN on both devices, typically 0000 or 1234. Once paired, your iPhone will sync contacts and allow CarPlay access. Wireless Apple CarPlay is standard or optional in most 2024 to 2025 Taos trims, providing seamless mirroring via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. On your Android phone, navigate to Settings, then Connected Devices, and select Bluetooth to enable it. In your Taos infotainment system, go to the home screen, select Settings, then Phone, and choose Connect Device. Select your Android phone from the list that appears. Confirm the PIN code displayed on both your phone and the Taos screen. After pairing, your phone will automatically sync contacts and enable Android Auto for navigation and media control. Wireless Android Auto is standard or optional in most 2024 to 2025 Taos models, providing seamless smartphone mirroring through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections. Once paired, your phone automatically syncs contacts to the Taos infotainment system. For deeper integration, use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. These platforms mirror your phone's interface on the Taos touchscreen, offering navigation, music, and other apps. They also provide voice control through Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. In a 2025 Consumer Reports test, a 2025 Taos with Android Auto wirelessly synced a Samsung Galaxy S24, allowing real-time navigation and podcast playback without lag, outperforming wired connections in battery-saving tests. Experiencing pairing problems? Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Try forgetting the device on both ends and repairing. Check for software updates on your phone and your Taos's infotainment system. Occasional connectivity drops can occur in high-interference areas, but VW's firmware patches mitigate this. Volkswagen rolled out a major OTA update in mid-2025 that improved Bluetooth stability and reduced pairing times by up to 30% based on user feedback. For optimal security, always forget a previously paired device before connecting a new one. This prevents potential conflicts and ensures your connection remains secure. The Volkswagen Taos uses encrypted Bluetooth connections to protect your data during pairing and use. The Taos can store and manage multiple paired devices, allowing different drivers to use their phones easily. Access the vehicle's Bluetooth settings through the touchscreen to view, prioritize, or remove connected devices. The future of car Bluetooth is wireless. Expect enhanced AI-driven features and 5G integration for ultra-low latency streaming. Privacy controls are also improving. Enjoy seamless connectivity in your VW Taos. By 2025, over 80% of new VW models, including the Taos, include wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, driven by consumer demand for smartphone-centric features. Overall, the market is moving towards smart car ecosystems, where phones act as central hubs, with VW aiming for full ecosystem interoperability in the next 5 years.